I got so much motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, make it come out. I got 3 old guys on the block with a red gun. Bitches on my line.
Good day, everyone. This is our requirement in technology and teaching and learning 2. Presenting the 5 macro skills, which are listening, reading, writing, viewing, and speaking. Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, po. How are you feeling today? We are good today. So good. Good to hear. So our topic for today is short story entitled The Rabbit and the Tortoise. So read it again. The Rabbit and the Tortoise. So class, do you know what is a tortoise?
No.
What is a tortoise?
A tortoise is a turtle.
Yes, it is a big turtle. So let us begin our story. So once I read it, you follow. Once upon a time, there was a rabbit and a tortoise.
Was a rabbit and a tortoise.
They were good friends. They used to meet and play every day. The rabbit always boasted that he could run faster than the tortoise. So they decided to have a race. They chose a starting and finishing point. The rabbit ran really fast and soon left the tortoise far behind. He thought that tortoise is too slow and he can rest for a while.
Stopped under a tree and went to sleep. Meanwhile, tortoise kept walking the whole time. And reached the winning point. When the rabbit woke up, he saw that the tortoise has already won the race.
So who are the two characters of this short story, Aiden?
The two characters in the short story is the rabbit and the tortoise.
Very good. So who won the race? Yes, Precious.
Who won the race is tortoise.
Very good. So bakit natalo si Rabbit? Kasi? Yes? Oh, very good. So he took a seat. Give 3 claps for yourselves.
Now, since you really understand our short story today, bring out 1 sheet of paper, then write what you have learned in the story. I will give you 2 minutes to write.
Are you done, class?
Not yet.
Okay then, so continue your work.
Okay, so now let's hear what have you learned. Okay, first come here in front, a cross.
One po ay huwag mayabang kung magtalo ka naman.
Okay, next, rope.
Yan po sa kwento ay pag maliitin ang
Okay. Okay, next, Precious.
Ang natutuhan ko po, kapag may karera at may nahuli, huwag maging kampante at huwag maging mayabang.
Next.
ang natutunan ko ay huwag maging mayabang at makipagkompetensya sa ibang kalaro.
Okay, all your answers are right. Very good, class.
Hey everyone, this is our requirement in technology and teaching. Hey everyone, this is our requirement in technology and teaching.